before January of this year, I had no singing experience outside of the house. Always singing just around the house, and my family definitely picked up on you. They didn't say, "Oh, you have a great voice." They just said, "You like singing." I decided to join my church choir. It was a pretty big, good-sized choir. I joined as a baritone. I just dove right in and had a wonderful time. Felt very welcomed by it. There were definitely moments where I got politely nudged by one of my fellow baritones and said, "You didn't really hit that note, and too high, too low," kind of thing. And no, I said, "No, thank you for the feedback, because this is really helpful for me. I need to improve." And didn't know if it would be lessons with a teacher or something that I found an app. And so I just looked all over, and I was really impressed by Singing Carrots, the Zero to Musical Hero, the course, very focused course, and let's give this a try. And so that was my motivation. The course, I'm only 2 or 3 weeks in now, but I feel like the course is really delivering on what it's promised. I've gotten a lot out of the AI tutorials. I'm amazed. If you'd asked me before what I was kind of looking for, or that kind of feedback, the real-time feedback, I wouldn't have been able to capture it that well, but it really has all of the feature and explanation and the adjustments, even just 10, 15 minutes to say, "You've really shown that how to do this, and now we're going to stretch you and see if you can do this at a somewhat higher. And then if I start getting a little shaky on that, backing down." It's very adaptive. So I'm still probably very early now, but everything that I've heard and that I've learned, and I do feel like encouraged by the progress that it shows I'm making, and then how it plans out. Here's what we're going to do next time. I think it's wonderful. So that was, again, very happy to speak with you, give you that
Oh
feedback.
my God, this is like one of the best things I've heard during the last couple of weeks. Thank you so much. It really warms my heart.